Hi guys, it's Kay and welcome back to another cleaning video. I am super sorry it's been over a week since I last posted my cleaning video, but I promise to be on schedule and be as consistent as possible. So in today's video, I am definitely going to clean my room, and I noticed like when I do my cleaning videos, the most I clean is always the kitchen and the boys' room, and I never showed you guys on camera how I clean my room. So yes, as you guys can see, it's a lot of mess everywhere. And my vanity set, the boys has toys in here. They like to come in here and play with their toys, and don't mind the trash bag over the chair. It's a white chair and I definitely don't want to get it dirty, so that's why I have that black trash bag over the chair, and I do my makeup over there. So the only time the trash bag is not going to be over the chair is pretty much when I'm done doing my makeup, and I pretty much like take pictures, or I may take the bag off if I'm doing videos, but that's probably not going to happen because, like I said, it's a white chair, so I definitely don't want to get it dirty. So I am drinking some coffee to get moving because I have been tired. Like, I have to do a pregnancy update. I have been tired, you guys. Like, I don't have no energy whatsoever during this pregnancy, and I'm like, oh my god, like I'd be so sleepy. So of course, right here I am open the blinds. It's nothing like getting some natural sunlight to get me started. I love to open my blinds. And as you guys see, I have like 2 baskets of clothes I have to fold, and I definitely want to go ahead and tackle those clothes in this video because, girl, folding clothes is not my thing. Like laundry, like it's one thing to wash it. It's fun to wash and dry your laundry, but when it comes down to folding, it's like, oh my god. So I learned that if anything, while I do laundry, I need to fold as I go, because these clothes will be sitting here for months. I'm not gonna lie to you. So I changed my sheets. We had red sheets on our bed last week or a couple of days ago, and I changed my sheets, so they are clean. I'm just dusting, like getting like loose stuff off the bed.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. We're dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. You search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Reaching for the stars. I wonder where you are. Oh. But when there's no hope hiding, no chance concealing what deep down I felt for you. Oh, I regret